It is important to dash the need for hard work as essential part of studying law because far too many students are tempted to think that they can succeed by relying on what they imagine to be their natural ability without bothering to add the expenditure of effort. So they are talking about something important to dash the need for hard work, that how essential is hard work if you want to study law. So with to it should be first form of verb. It is important to stress. Bit negative score is the use of stress. To score the need, score is not used in that sense. It's like what score have you got? That's basically a noun. Highlight the need or emphasize. So highlight is just if there are 10 things you're highlighting on two, telling that they're important, but emphasize is to specifically talk about and put separately something to draw your attention on, that is emphasize. And the way the sentence is framed, it is like they want to specifically highlight, draw the attention that it is an essential part of law, because a lot of students think the other way. To take an analogy, some people prefer the more or less instant dash, which comes from watching a television adaptation of a classic novel, to the rather more dash process of reading the novel. So they have made a comparison that there are some people who just they like to watch tell the novel in a picture form rather than putting an effort to read it in a book. So they want instant satisfaction, like just instantly things should be done. They don't have the capability or the ability to wait and go in a slow, like read it line by line. They're more happy, satisfied just watching episodes of that thing. So satisfaction, displeasure and dismay are negative words. Dismay is like shock, displeasure means not happy. Satisfaction, gratification mean the same. Gratification is more academic, so we'll go with that, which comes from watching a television adaptation of a classic novel, to the rather more dash process of reading. So reading the novel itself is what kind of process? It's not easy, obviously, than watching TV. Difficult process, laborious or arduous. So difficult and arduous both mean the same. Very difficult is what we use the word arduous for, but it's not just difficult, it's a lengthy process too. Reading a novel and watching a television, it also has time aspect involved. So we'll go with laborious because it requires a lot of effort from our side. Those who prefer watching television to reading the book are less likely to study law successfully unless they rapidly acquire a dash for text based material. So, if you are one of those persons who prefer watching television, so maybe you won't be able to do law successfully unless means till the time you acquire a dash for text based means written materials. So unless you have a flavor, savor, feel or taste. So taste is right. Taste for text based. Taste means you have a liking towards something, that is to have a taste for something. So unless and until you develop a liking for written things, you won't be able to do law successfully.